Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how we made this delicious and beautiful birthday cake. Let's go! You will need 280 grams of self-raising flour, 166 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, 170 grams of softened butter, 3 eggs, a quarter litre of milk, and vanilla. You can use vanilla extract, but we're using vanilla pods. Add your softened butter into an electric whisk. Mix until it's smooth. Now you can add in your sugar. As you can see, the colour is changing. Continue to mix until it's light and fluffy. Now it's time to add in your eggs. Add in each egg separately. By doing this, you'll be able to combine the egg smoothly. Bring the mix together. Now, add in your vanilla. To dissect the vanilla, just cut it straight through the middle. There you have the seeds. Add in your vanilla and mix until fully combined. Now add in your flour. Make sure to add it in small bits. Now add in your baking powder and salt. Now slowly add in your milk. Scrape in all of the excess from the sides. Bring it all together. Now it's time to set the oven. Set the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to prep the pan. Firstly, butter the sides. Line the bottom of your pan with baking paper. Transfer your mix into the pan. Shake your pan so that it's spread out evenly. And now it's ready to take in the oven. Now it's time to take the cake out of the oven. For the buttercream, add in 250 grams of softened butter. Mix until light, fluffy and creamy. Okay. Now you can add in 340 grams of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Now you want to add half of it in at a time so it doesn't explode all over you. Mix this for 3 to 5 minutes before adding the other half of the sugar. Now you can add the other half. For flavour, add in a drop of vanilla. The buttercream is now ready. Now if you want to, this is a time where you add your food colouring or any more flavourings. Now, because we're making a cake with 3 different colours, we're going to separate them. Let's start with the purple. Add in a little drop at a time until you've achieved your desired purple. When the colour is right, leave it in the fridge until you're ready to put it on the cake. Now it's time to start decorating. Bumpy, we're going to cut the excess off with a butter knife. And there we go. Make sure the cake is placed nicely in the center of the bowl.